What up, y'all? Today we are going to be trying to escape this pizzeria. What is wrong with my clothes? This is not how I look anyway. Why is it over? Never mind. So, let's try to escape. We can't go through these doors, can we? Nope. Doesn't look like it. Alright. Do these doors open? Yes, they do. Okay. Turn back now. No. Why is there a human skull? You know, something about this. How I. Where's the exit? Something told no. What the? What? Why? But you're kidding? How is this? How did I not jump? Okay, finally. Now there's bear traps. Hold on, guys. Let's just see what's over here. Looks like there's pizza as an arrow to lead to something over there. I don't know. Let's just get through these traps. Oh, named it. It. Oh, oh my. Named it. Why did it lag so bad though? That was just weird. All right. I'm good at stuff like this. I can see you. I don't understand. Alright. I guess we just follow the pizza. Right? There's nothing scary. Nothing scary. Oh my Jesus! Oh my gosh! What a jump scare! Well, I don't think it's meant to be a jump scare, but when you look back, oh man! Did they mean for it to be like this? That's actually really. That's a mistake, bro. Why did they make it like that? If you drop down and you don't fully go in, you could literally just go back up. That's actually over. That's actually OP, bro. I'll be using that if I fall. Okay. Alright, we made it. Now we just have to clear. Doom is coming. Wonder what that means. Let's take a good restroom break. Alright, I'm done. What the? Yo. Wait, what? Is he only in the mirror? That's weird. What? Okay. Oh god. Don't touch the cobweb. The? Do you mean the? There's more than one cobweb. Oh, that's tricky. I gotta jump in between. And then we go. Oh, I didn't notice that was like that. Okay. To jump. Oh, what? I didn't touch anything. How? Okay. Woo! Phew. That was kind of insane. Now we have a very simple parkour course that we have to finish. All right. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. That was not too hard. Now we have to go over here. Alright. Easy peasy. This evil pizzeria guy made his obstacles a bit too easy. He's here. What do you mean he's here? I don't understand. Go to the vent? You know, I'm just gonna go over here. Like, I'm just gonna. There we go. I don't even know what the problem was. I saw some glowing red stuff behind me. I mean, what if that was the pizza guy again? How did he teleport? Is he like super quick or something? Or does he have like minions? And that was one of his minions? Or was that the actual him? Or was that guy in the beginning actually him? Find the crowbar. Doesn't seem like there is a crowbar. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there is a crowbar. Maybe on these shelves? Nope. Not a single crowbar. These skeletons are kind of. Whoa! Did you see how that glitched? Look. Oh man. It's not working, but when I did it, the skeleton like oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, oh, this guy's holding it. Okay. Well, that's all right. Oh, man, that was hard. Let's keep going now. Let's go, oh, 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 up into the air. Man, what the? Brutal. What? What? Oh, okay. Time this. Whew, we got that. Alright, we made it. Now, what in the world is this? Oh my! That person just died. Alright. Let's just ignore the fact that this is like extremely creepy and move on. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. No! Dang it! Why would I buy a boomerang? But that gets me. That gets me definitely. Oh gosh. Try to stay. Oh jeez. Oh no. Dang it! No. Alright. Alright. Let's do this. Okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. Oh, whew. Made it over that time. Oh god. What if it. Dang it! No! Ah, I was so close. I was lit. Oh my gosh, bro. Why does that always get me? Oh my, Jesus. Oh my gosh. This thing is brutal. The guy, he's brutal. And two, because I am the one who is going to get out of his pizzeria. I told you. Hop on. Okay. Why am I in a cage? Oh, no, no. Oh, God. Yeesh. I got very scared. I don't know what those people doing, but they're not supposed to. This is like very weird for that. It's also pretty disturbing, like the fact that this man has eaten children, a lot of children. This way. What I was thinking. Yep. Dang it. Dang it. Okay, come on, I can make this. Ah, dude. Oh, what about the railing? Ah, man, I missed a jump. Oh, okay, let's try it one more time. 3, 2, 1. There we go. All right, I told you guys. Oh wait, I could have just used that railing. Oh God, why? Hey, now I had a chance. Now I had a chance. All right. Now let's do that. That. All right. All right. All right. Easy. I told you. Run home. Okay. I'll run home. Sounds easy, but is it? Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. What, bro? You're kidding. Why? That girl over there has gone nuts. You know, I'm just gonna take this way. That pizza guy stands no chance of finding me. I'm too far. Okay. Looks like we've made it. That's a big forest. Where's the pizza guy go? Oh man, I can't go back. Oh, look at this. We can see all of the stuff. Hey, there's a spider. We didn't even do that though. So, well, we did it, but we didn't get caught by the spider. Why is this duck like glitched like that? Seesaw! What's in here? Great school breakout? Alright guys, that's enough for today though. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope